Hi there, and today we are going to learn about how to fix broken links in Squarespace using URL redirects. So here I am in my Squarespace website dashboard, and let's go to the website editor. So just click on the website right here on the sidebar, and then let's go to pages. So right now I am in the about page. But what if I do some changes? So for example, I go to settings, and then I change the title of this page as well as for the URL slug. If I change the URL slug, we will have some problems because, so for example, if the users of my website already saved the about page in their browser, so it will look like this. They will only have this about URL slug right here, so they won't know that the URL slug has been changed to about-us. So that will have some errors in their browser. So we need to avoid that. So to do that, we can use URL redirects. And this is just an example that I will be using in this video. So I will be using this about us example right here. But you can do it for any kind of change that you do for your website. So for example, if you change the domain of your website, or if you change a specific part of your specific page in your website, you can just do the similar steps. So for example, I will save the changes, and then we need to go to the URL redirect mappings. So let's just go back to the dashboard and go to settings. So from here, go to developer tools and then go to URL mappings. So from here, we will insert the URL slug right here, but we need to follow the format. So the format will be like this. We have the original URL and then the new URL along with the redirect type. So this is an example. The /journal and then /the name and then /blog/name and then the URL mappings. So the redirect type. So the redirect type that we are going to be using is 301 or 302. If you want to see the difference, you can just click on this link right here. And then we have here the Squarespace documentation. So as you can see right here, 301 redirects are meant for permanent changes in your website. But for the 302 redirects, it is meant for temporary changes. So it is more commonly used that 301 is more used than 302. So this is because if you are going to create a permanent change, you can just use 301 instead of 302. So the original will not exist if you are using the 301. And then that is what we are going to use. We are going to use the 301 redirect. So from here, let's go and insert the about page, and then the dash and right angle, and then we are going to change it to about -us page, and then we will insert the 301 redirect right here, and then we can go on and click save. And then that is it. That is how we fix a broken link here in Squarespace. So whenever the users go to the about page, they will be automatically redirected to the about us page. And then that is it. I hope you learn how to do it, and thank you for watching.